Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to hide phone number on IMO account. For that, make sure you already have the application on your device and you're logged into your account. Now, it is a very simple step. Just follow me accordingly. Now, you will be led to this home page. At the bottom right, you can see your profile icon. You need to simply tap over there. Now, here you can see the option of security and privacy. Simply tap over there. Now scroll down a bit. There you can see the option of privacy, and in the privacy section there you can see various options. Firstly, we need to tap on the option read receipts. Now here you need to simply tap on the option nobody. After that, go back and again you can see the option last seen. Simply tap over there. Now again here you need to do the same process, that is to tap on nobody. And these are the steps to hide your phone number on your IMO account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.